Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best digital wall clocks you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many digital wall clocks and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each digital wall clocks, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a digital wall clock. First, look at the display type and size to ensure it's clear and easy to read from any distance. Next, check if it has adjustable brightness or a dimmer feature for comfortable viewing in different lighting conditions. Consider power options like battery-operated or plug-in models for convenience. Think about extra features such as temperature display, date, or alarm functions that add value. Accuracy and automatic time adjustment are also important for reliability. Pay attention to the design and color so it matches your room style. Finally, review the build quality and brand reputation for long-term durability. By keeping these points in mind, you can choose a clock that fits your needs perfectly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.